At the foothill of the majestic northern Sierra Madre Natural Park lies a destination where nature is cherished and lived, and where every journey creates hope. Welcome to the Abuan River Adventure and Eco Park. For generations, the Agta indigenous people have called this forest their home. Today, they are no longer silent witnesses to tourism. They are its heart and its greatest storytellers. As tour guides, boat paddlers, lifeguards, cultural performers, environmental stewards, and artisans, they welcome every visitor with the wisdom of their ancestors and the warmth of genuine Ilagueño hospitality. The Agta community have found meaningful livelihoods. Children now pursue college education through scholarships, free dormitory, school supplies, uniforms, and living allowances provided by the city government. Homes have been built. Health and daycare center now stand where hope continues to grow. In 2025, the city government welcomed 1,290,472 visitors, generating 46,169,649 peso in tourism revenues, while investing 2.3 billion peso to strengthen tourism, protect the environment, and uplift communities. And that progress is most meaningful when no one is left behind. The world has taken notice, from DILG Subaybayani Exemplar Awardee to international recognition, the ASEAN Clean Tourist City Hall of Fame, and International Climate Change Adaptation Conference in Vietnam. The Abuan River Eco Park stands as living proof that sustainable tourism begins when people and nature thrive together. Abuan River Adventure and Eco Park, empowering people, protecting nature, and inspiring the future of community-based tourism.